Installation of drainage system. In the previous session, we learned to floor the toilet and bathing area. In this session, we will learn to install the drainage system. Installing drainage correctly is crucial in ensuring smooth removal of sewage and gases. At the end of this session, you will be able to install the drainage system. As per our plan, we will connect the PVC pipe from the P-trap to a door elbow. The door elbow will be connected to a plain elbow. This is for concealing the PVC pipe underground. The plain elbow will then be connected to a PVC pipe extending 120 centimeters and sloped towards the leach pit. The vent pipe with a length of 300 centimeters will be installed on the leach pit ring. Before we go into the procedure, let's take a look at the tools and materials. The tools are hoe, hacksaw, hacksaw blade, measuring tape, thread, trowel, chisel, hammer, crowbar. The materials are PVC pipes of 2-inch and 4-inch, 2-inch PVC coupler, 2-inch vent cowl, nylon net, thread, solvent cement, cotton cloth, 4-inch door elbow, 4-inch plain elbow, concrete bricks, cement mortar in the ratio of 1:4. We will now see the steps involved in drainage installation. Let us first measure and mark the area to install the drainage system. Measure the height of the plain elbow. This should be 20 centimeters. Measure and mark a line using chalk powder from the foundation towards the last ring. Start excavating in the marked area up to a depth of 25 centimeters. This is the height of the plain elbow, that is 20 centimeters, and an additional 5 centimeters as space for handling the pipes and fittings. Now we proceed to mark the slope for the drainage pipe. In this case, the distance between the basement and the rings is 120 centimeters. Since we require a slope of 1 centimeter drop for every 100 centimeters of distance, we will mark 1.2 centimeters below the mark on the ring. This slope is comparatively very gentle, so in order to be accurate, we need to be very careful. Keep one end of the water level on the top part of the PVC pipe projecting outside the basement and the other end of the water level against the ring. Mark the place where the level is on the concrete ring using a pencil. This mark is level with the top of the pipe. Measure and mark 21.2 centimeters, that is 20 centimeters height of plain elbow, and 1.2 centimeters the slope below this point. Keep the top of the plain elbow at this point and mark the area for chipping. Then, chip the marked area using chisel and hammer. Check whether the plain elbow fits into the hole made. Now let us proceed to install the drainage system in the marked area. Connect the door elbow to the plain elbow. Then connect this to the drainage pipe as shown. Measure the length from the plain elbow till the chipped area using measuring tape. Add a measurement of 10 cm to this for the pipe to project inside the ring. In our case, it comes to 120 cm. Measure and cut the PVC pipe to this length. Clean out the edges of the pipe with hacksaw blade and cloth. We will now connect the PVC to the plain elbow using solvent cement. For this, we will measure and mark the length of the PVC pipe that will be inserted into the plain elbow. Apply solvent cement on the measured length of both the plain elbow and the PVC pipe and connect both. Place the open end of the PVC pipe towards the chipped portion of the ring. Ensure that there is a slope towards the ring by using spirit level. If there is no considerable slope, excavate mud to ensure that the pipe is placed at a slope. File the end of the PVC pipe coming from the P-trap. Clean the edge of the PVC pipe using cloth. Place the washer inside the door elbow. Apply grease on the washer and the filled area on the PVC pipe extending from the basement. Place the door elbow into the PVC pipe. Clean both the connecting ends of the plain elbow and the door elbow with cloth. Now, connect the plain elbow to the door elbow using solvent cement. We have now installed the drainage system. Let us now fill the basement area and the chipped area of the ring. Pour some water over the chipped area. Apply cement mortar over the chipped area in the ring to fix the PVC pipe. Pack the other end at the basement using cement mortar and concrete bricks. Clean the remains of the chipping area from the interior of the ring. Fill the trench and level the ground. We have filled the basement area and chipped the area of the ring. Now we proceed to install the vent cowl. Chip the lid at the center. The center should be marked using chalk and a 2-inch PVC pipe. Measure and cut a 2-inch PVC pipe of 30 cm as basement for the vent cowl on the lid. Measure and cut a 2-inch PVC pipe of 270 cm. Connect the vent cowl to one end of the 270 cm pipe. Cover the vent cowl with the nylon net using a thread. We cover the vent cowl to prevent mosquitoes from entering the pit. Place the 30 cm basement pipe at the chipped area on the ring lid. Apply cement mortar to fix it. Connect the 270 cm PVC pipe to the basement PVC on the ring lid. This should be done on the next day. Plaster the area between the lid and the ring. We have now installed the vent cowl. With that, we have come to the end of this session. In this session, we have learned to install the drainage system, install the vent cowl. In the next session, we will learn to install the roof.